How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Seth Julian, and we'll welcome you to today's briefing. We're looking at the French CPI, the Consumer Price Index, month on month. Was released this morning, as you can see. Today, by the way, is the 28th of February, 2003. It's, what is it? It's 12:16 GMT. Way above expectation. They expected 0.7% increase this month. It's 0.9. That's a big jump. That's a lot bigger than the numbers would express. And so we are then driven to take a look at this chart. This is, if it ever comes up, is euro dollar. This is the euro dollar chart, cross-referenced with the US dollar index. So what we see is a slight uptick in euro strength. Now let's just make sure we understand our terms. Up and down are entirely irrelevant when we speak about currencies because it depends on the pairing. We say weaker or stronger. Now in this particular pairing with the dollar on the right, an upward sloping graph means the dollar weakens and the euro strengthens. It's called the base rate. Every the currency pair of a currency pair, the left-hand element is called the base rate. The right-hand currency is called the rate currency, or the currency that's moving. And that, of course, is printed on the vertical axis, the y-axis of the graph. And the exponent, you should need to know, is of the left-hand element is always 1. 1 euro to how many dollars? And that's the same in any financial asset. Oil. Oil doesn't have an absolute value. It's got a value in dollars based per barrel. Or gold is 1 troy ounce to whatever currency it's being purchased or sold in. So an upward sloping euro-dollar graph means the dollar is weakening and the euro is strengthening. So we see, this is a 4-hour chart, that this increased weakness in the euro as the inflation rate was announced. And we see simultaneously a slight increase in the strength of the dollar. So what we expect further is increasingly downward sloping euro-dollar rates, and not surprisingly, an increasingly upward sloping DXY, the US dollar index. So that's going to do it for now, ladies and gentlemen. Weak euro in the face of, or continuing weak euro in the face of, things that we've been talking about for months and months, of course, the land war in Europe, the impending energy crisis, the highly possible tearing of the fabric of European Union unity, all in the face of Putin's attempt to capture or occupy significant portions of the Ukraine. It's going to do it for now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.